of us, our food, everything, di ba? Unfortunately, the kids, di ba, since they stole the money, I've been doing a lot of cash advances since 2022. No, wala ko pang miski 5. Although nag-usap yung mga abogado, nag-usap pa kami ng mga bata, yung mga abogado namin nag-usap na habang hindi pa na-distribute sa asawa at sa mga anak, yung sustenance pa ng mga heirs, no? So nag-agree kami sa Zoom recorded yung senator, pero hindi finulfill ni councilor yung agreement na yung monthly allowance kami dapat. So ngayon, meron akong 3.5 million reimbursables.
Sige po. Attorney Garrett, anong pwede may kaso dito kay councilor?
We have proof, archaeology report, saying that his handwriting is the one that executed those documents and not the signatories. So, that is sufficient. Had its falsification conclusion, that is criminal liability for this book. It's not enough because it did not use the seat in the presentation of the check, but rather a forged signature book. So, it's a kind of falsification.
So, pagdating sa hearing, baka sabihin itong Metro Bank ay dahil sa bank secrecy law, hindi sila magsasalita o hindi sila bibigyan ng enough information na kailangan para makagawa tayo ng batas tungkol din sa ganito klase problema.
I the bank secrecy law will help them po, Senator, because patay na po yung original owner of the account and the person entitled to information will present the next of the for all of them. In this case, the children and widowed spouse for half of them.
Okay. Sige po, ma'am.
Sir, can I say something, Senator? I consulted my main bank is BDO. I consulted BDO head office. No? Tinanong ko sa kanila, what would you do in this situation? Sabi nila, ma'am, hindi namin ikaw gagamitin ng bank secrecy law kasi asawa ka. And this is the biggest bank in the country, BDO. No, so sabi nila, dapat mamali ang ginawa ng Metro Bank. Yung Metro Bank talagang salbahin po. Ayaw nilang ibigay sa akin yung information. So, kaya po nakastand still yung aming...
In fairness po sa Metro Bank, baka hindi po yung mismong
Apo, yung bank, yung branch po.
I think maybe isa o dalawa doon na kasabot itong mga anak na gumawa ng kalokohan. I don't think
Yes, yeah.
the institution...
Even we are. I'm sorry, I retract that. Being fair po sa Metro Bank, it's particularly the Tandag City branch po.
Baka po yung manager doon or kung sino may mga officials doon na nakipagsabuhatan.
Kasi bakit po, sir, pinapanigan nila yung mga bata? At hindi ako. Everybody knows I'm the legitimate wife ng nanay. So,
Opo. Sige ma'am, next week po papatawag kami ng hearing and we'll let you know. At lahat po ng Metro Bank, RCBC, si Councilor, G, patatawag po natin. Salamat po. Thank you. So, Atty. Garrett, pasa mo na agad yung resolution tomorrow.
Yes po, sir. Although we will look for an existing resolution already, Senator, kasi ang difficulty na po, the Senate is not in session, so new resolutions cannot be referred yet to the proper committee. So we will coordinate with the team of Senator Mark Villar to see if we have resolutions investigating banks or bank fraud. At sasatay po natin itong issue and we will request for a hearing po.
Sige, tatawag si Senator Mark mamaya-maya.
Yes.
Sige, thank you, Atty. Garrett. So ma'am, tatawag si Senator Mark Villar kung meron existing hearing siya tungkol sa ganitong klase ng problema and then we'll have the hearing the next week. Thank you, ma'am. So ma'am, po yung mga komento. Grabe, matindi itong parang pa rin loko-loko. Alam ko pag malalaki, pag like 500,000, tatawagan ka. Sir, meron dito 500,000 na in cash. Check nyo. Okay ba ito? You can say yes. You can say no. In this case, we're talking about 16 million, 5 million, 8 million, 10 million. Siguro lang ito. Kasabat yung mga marami na ako kaso na kung saan yung manager pagsabuatan sa green.